that's a great place to be. So I see them all as potential customers. Hopefully one day, I see our assets kind of like a lot of our assets can work for them. And then the fourth asset that we have is a studio, which is completely different than and completely new. It's not something that Google has. I think this is kind of going to be one of our weapons in really competing in this whole ecosystem, is giving the ability for all creators, big or small, to run ads, run right directly in their live streams through using Rumble Studio and multi-streaming to all platforms. So, and that is also a great tool for every single one of the platforms. So for us, I see the whole market as an opportunity, and I don't see any single one as a negative. I see it as a positive, especially a positive for the creator community.
Yeah.
And that's great. Like we have lots of opportunity with all these companies, and I want to tap into that.
Yeah.
That's dope.
No, it's good. So yeah, I could read some of these chats because I know you guys probably have some questions and stuff like that. So yeah, man, get your questions in now, guys. With Rumble ran it in. What do we got here? Laura Loomer, shout out to her. She goes, Chris, thank